Sawadee ka! Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to cook Nam Tok Neua or spicy beef salad with roasted ground rice and chili flakes. And there are actually some requests to making this dish. Here it is. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 200 grams of beef, Sawtooth coriander, spring onion, shallot, mint, lime, chili flakes, roasted ground rice, fish sauce, and palm sugar. I'll start by pan grilling the beef. Add a little bit of oil. And here's the beef that I have marinated with seasoning soy sauce for 3 hours. Nice. While I'm waiting for the beef, I will start to prepare some vegetables. I think the beef is ready. Beautiful. And next, we're gonna mix the salad on the heat. So we are gonna need this pan and a little bit of water. I have a little bit of meat juice in the pan already, so when I pour the water in, it looks like a nice stock. Okay, now the water is hot. Then we just put the beef in here. Just stir it a little bit. When the sauce starts to simmer, then you can add the vegetable into this one. A little bit more of the vegetables. The sawtooth coriander smells so good here, and I like it. Add the roasted ground rice. And now we can turn off the heat. Chili flakes. The roasted ground rice also smell very good. Then, fish sauce. And then a little bit of palm sugar. The pan is still hot, so the palm sugar can melt quickly. And the last one, lime. Let me taste. Oh, amazing. This is good. I don't need to adjust anymore. You just garnish it with the mint. And that's how to make Nam Tok Neua or spicy beef salad with roasted ground rice and chili flakes. You can adjust the heat to your liking. And please try this at home. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. You can also visit our Instagram or Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For today, have a very spicy day. I'm gonna eat this with the delicious sticky rice. So good.